Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
At this time, may I request everyone to please stand and raise your right hand as we recite the Panatang Makabayan. Iniibig ko ang Pilipinas, aking lupang sinilangan. Tahanan ng aking lahi, kinukupkup ako at tinutulungan upang maging malakas, masipag at marangal. Dahil mahal ko ang Pilipinas, diringgin ko ang payo ng aking mga magulang. Susundin ko ang tuntunin ng paaralan. Tutuparin ko ang tungkulin ng mamamayang makabayan. Naglilingkod, nag-aaral at nagdarasal ng buong katapatan. Iaalay ko ang aking buhay, pangarap, pagsisikap sa bansang Pilipinas. May I request everyone to remain standing and raise your right hand for the recitation of the Bagong Pilipinas Pledge. Bilang Pilipino, buong pagmamalaki kong isasabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. Buhay sa aking dugo ang lahing dakila, magiting at may dangal. Palaging dadalhin sa puso, isip at diwa ang aking pagmamahal sa kultura at bayang sinilangan. Kaisa ng bawat mamamayan, iaalay ko ang aking talino at kasanayan sa pagpapaunlad ng aking bayan. Taglay ang galing na naayon sa mga pandaigdigang pamantayan. Magiging instrumento ako sa pagsulong ng kagalingan, karunugan at kapayapaan. Makikiisa at makikilahok ako sa mga adhikain ng pamahalaan dahil ang kaunlaran ay hindi lamang responsibilidad ng iilan. Isusulong at pangangalagaan ko ang karangalan, kalayaan at interes ng aking bayang minamahal. Bilang Pilipino na may pagmamahal, pakialam at malasakit, hindi makasarili, kundi para sa mas nakarami. Tatahakin ko ang landas tungo sa isang bagong Pilipinas. Please remain standing for our DepEd mission and vision core values. We dream of Filipinos who passionately love their country and whose values and competencies enable them to realize their full potential and contribute meaningfully to building the nation. As a learner-centered public institution, the Department of Education continuously improves itself to better serve its stakeholders. DepEd mission to protect and promote the right of every Filipino to quality, equitable, culture-based, and complete basic education where students learn in a child-friendly, gender-sensitive, safe and motivating environment. Teachers facilitate learning and constantly nurture every learner. Administrations and staff as state boards of the institution ensure an enabling and supportive environment for effective learning. Family, community, and other stakeholders are actively engaged and share responsibility for developing lifelong learners. DepEd core values, maka-Diyos, makatao, makakalikasan, at makabansa. Thank you for watching and happy Independence Day for all of you. Bye!